How to top up the wallet with Cellframe Bridge. To top up your Cellframe wallet, first open it and go to the Tokens section. Here you can copy your wallet address in the Backbone or KelVPN network. Tokens can be transferred to these two networks through the Cellframe Bridge. Go to the Bridge page at bridge.cellframe.net. Enable Cellframe Wallet and connect your Trust Wallet or MetaMask to the site. Select the ERC20 or BEP20 network where your Cell tokens are stored, and as the destination network, select CF20 and enter your CF20 wallet address. Select the token to be transferred. You can transfer not only the native Cellframe currency and ecosystem tokens, but also other popular cryptocurrencies supported in CF20. Enter the amount of tokens to transfer, click Send Tokens. After the operation is complete, your tokens will be successfully transferred to the CF20 network through the Cellframe Bridge and will become available in your wallet. You can check the transfer by clicking on the transaction in the pop-up window. Depending on the network used for the transfer, you will be redirected either to Etherscan or BSC scan. The wallet is topped up. Now you can use your Cell tokens in the native CF20 network.